Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to rename or name your group. How to name your group. So how to name your group is very easy. Firstly, you have to create a group. Then after, over here I have created this group. So I'll tap on it. There you can see on the top corner your profile icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of a pencil icon. Tap on it. There you can see directly at the top, you can see the name icon. Here you can change your name like this, and tap on the right icon like this. And for other settings, you can scroll little down and you can see all the other things as well you can do. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.